Oh my god.
Damn, son, you got knocked the fuck out.
Giving me an extra fire team, so I will be at 9. Okay. Who's 1-3? I got chips.
I don't know what I need.
That's right, you're walking away
Gnomes?
with your back, pussy.
Some meme shit I can bring.
Come hit me.
Oh, field gun, field gun.
I ain't got shit, sorry, Carmine.
It's fine, Aquarius. Just keep on with my task. I need somebody to get to that regimental HQ. If you could actually provide assistance for 1-1 who's currently pinned down in the main entrance, that might be more beneficial.
What? Point, are you still with me?
Holy fuck.
Wow.
In my solitude. Please have. Oh, H-check.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
1-1, this is 1-6, switch over. Do you have a C7?
Yes. Hold on.
Throw it over, throw it over.
Hold on.
Well, you should be fine.
Alright. It's not big enough, and
Oh.
that's predicament. Hello, Mark.
Claire!
Are you defibbing?
Fuck.
Oh my god.
How does he fucking. He didn't even need. He wasn't even in blood
I
loss.
just armored myself.
He
super
fucking.
hard.
He wasn't even in blood loss. That makes
Dude,
no
he's
fucking
literally
sense.
doing the Gmod. Oh my fucking god.
Can someone please, dear God, kill that lag turret on the opposite side?
Oh my god.
Where are these
It's-
people
no, it's
coming from?
impossible.
Where
And
is it?
Greenback just got shot.
That's it, I'm getting rid of it.
That one was rough.
I'm surprised that I actually survived any of that.
Okay, you good?
I took one bullet and got
Wow, he's down.
Is gonna start a fucking. I'm starting a stitch.
This guy got
Get that
fucked
chest
up.
close,
Aqua,
get that
yeah,
chest
okay.
close.
Anyways, plate.
2.5.
Ooh. You. Oh. Oh.
Shooting at friendlies.
I did a little dance.
Oh, that turret, man! Fuck off!
Faceplate, you good?
Lachlan, no!
Fucking got him. Drop him.
Oh my god, base plate! Hello, base plate.
Right, I'm back. What's up? I didn't die. I'm a good boy.
No!
Oh my god, I see what you're doing about now. I'm being fucking engaged.
Make a Me!